Welcome to Let's Localize. Our platform does many things, and a critical feature among many is the user management feature. Invite PTA members, teachers, and alumni as users to lead campaigns, involve the community, and connect with corporate partners. Here are the next steps to understand how the user management feature enables the addition of multiple users. Step 1. Log into your Let's Localize account. Step 2. In the school dashboard, find the user management feature. Step 3. Click on Add User. Input details like name, email, and the role: school admin, teacher, PTA admin, or alumni admin. Review, then hit Submit. The user gets an email guiding them through registration. And just like that, they're part of Let's Localize. Head back to the feature. You can also change the role of or deactivate a particular user from the Actions column. There is a crucial detail about users in the user management feature that you must remember. When creating campaigns on the platform and utilizing certain key features, only the school admin can approve campaigns. Once the campaign owner submits it, the campaign requires approval from the school administration. And only after the approval by the school admin, the campaign owner can publish the campaign. This concludes the introduction to the Let's Localize user management feature. Empowered to drive campaigns, connect with businesses, engage parents, and contribute to the school's journey. Let's Localize, bringing schools, businesses, and communities closer.